Friends, rupees 782 is divided into three parts in the ratio 1 by 2 is to 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4. Here our question is what is the first part? Friends, if the ratio in the form of fractions, we have to find the LCM of 2, 3, 4. LCM of 2, 3, 4 is 12 friends. 2 sixes, 3 fours, 4 twos, 8. 4 threes, 3 threes, 9. So friends, now the required ratio is 6 is to 8 is to 9. We have to divide 782 in the ratio 6 is to 8 is to 9. How? Rupees 782 by 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 9, 23. That is 782 is divided into 23 parts. And we want the first share. The first share is 6. First share is 6. Plus 23 threes, 69. 9 remains. 92. 23 fours, 92. So 34 into 6. 34 into 6. 204 friends. 204 is the first part. Thank you.